how do you make iPhone apps or Mac apps with Codex? I'm going to show you my AppCreator skill. So this is the download page. If you want to go ahead and get AppCreator, you can get the link down below. My name is Paul Solt, and I'm an iPhone and Mac developer. I created a skill that basically packages up some Xcode scaffolding tools and some workflow tools that I've been leveraging with Codex, as well as makefile support. So makefiles are really essential if you want to have repeatable build commands that are not going to fail, that you're not going to get an agent saying everything is green when everything is broken, and they're not going to tell you that your tests are passing when they're not. So these are some of the issues that I ran into getting started with Codex. All right, so I'm working on updating the next version of it, enhancing it a little bit, and I wanted to sort of show it off so you can see it really easily. I can just type make, and that will build and run my application. I have this as a custom build target, so that I can just hit that play button as well. That will boot up a Mac app. This is my slideshow app that I use for making YouTube videos, and it's all markdown, so I can just edit something like a title here, hit save, and then hit play, and I can see the slide appear, and I can cycle through all my slides and do all that fun stuff. All right, so that's a Mac app using the AppCreator skill. Another example is the run tracker. So I can just hit this run button. That's configured to just use my makefile. It's going to build and launch the app, and there you have a iPhone app. So it will scaffold the Xcode project for you, and then it gives you simple tasks, which is my simple task management stuff that I use. That's optional. You don't necessarily need to use that. But then the core component is the makefile support. And there's a makefile skill that is designed for iPhone and Mac apps using either UI kits, app kits, or Swift UI. So I've got all of the plumbing in there, and it just helps you get repeatable builds. And one of the issues that I ran into with agents is that they'll sometimes say, hey, everything is green, the build runs, the app works, I tested the tests and they all pass. And then you go to use it and you're like, no, everything is broken. Like you don't see these build errors. And so it's really important to have good build output that the agent can actually parse. And so that is what this AppCreator skill gives you. And most likely I'll be wrapping this up as a plugin, since plugins are now available. But it is currently just a standalone skill. You can get it on the link down below. If you use it, tag me on YouTube or on X. Hit me up on email if you have any problems. I'm working on a new update for the skill that's going to make it better. And I hope you have a great day. So hit the like button if you learned something new and if you want to try this out. And then I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Have a great day.